Welcome back friends, and today I am going to show you one thing, how to transfer WhatsApp data from one Android phone to another Android phone. Everything, not only the chat backups, including media, your photos, all the data. I am going to show you how to transfer from one Android phone to another Android phone. Here this is Samsung A31, and you can see this is Samsung, and then this is mi phone, and I'm going to show you WhatsApp data from this phone to this WhatsApp data, all data from this phone to this phone. Here I have just loaded the WhatsApp from Play Store, and now I will transfer this. So not wasting much of your time, if you new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So first, what you need to do, go to the WhatsApp and then three dots and then settings, and here go to the chats and then go to the chat backup and see if the backup is being made locally or not. Backup your message and media to Google Drive. You can restore them when you reinstall WhatsApp, but in Google Drive, if you are not selecting this backup using cellular, this is right, including videos, if it is not selected, then video has not been backed up. So just select it and then backup it. It is now backing up. Now videos will also be included in that backup. That backup will be made locally as well as on Google Drive, so it will take some time. It is being made. See, that is not a very okay. Let's wait for some time. I will come back again. So now it has been backed up. Okay, come back here. So now WhatsApp, and now you see where it has been stored. Means just go to the Samsung. 1 minute, where I have to see you have to look after internal storage, my files, then internal storage, and then you go to the Android, then media. Here one file is there, com.whatsapp. This file is what you need to transfer from this phone to this phone. Okay, so 1 minute. In your case, if the size of your WhatsApp is big, then you need to compress it. Just long press it, and then 1 minute, where it has gone, just long press it and click on more and compress it, and you can give a name that 123. Okay, then compress it. Now it is compressing. It will compress the document, and all the documents, all the images, videos will come under one file, and that will be zip. That zip file is here only, com.whatsapp123.zip. This file needs to be transferred. So now you can transfer this file with the help of pen drive or any file sharing, Bluetooth, anything else. So I am just selecting it, long pressing it, and then share. Okay, and then I will use Share Me app. 1 minute. So Share Me app, and then it is now asking the QR code of another. Then I will go to the Share Me of this device, and here no, I will update later. Then receive. Okay, now it has come. Now scan it. Just 1 minute. It has been scanned, and now it is connecting. Searching for device. Now it is connected. Okay, and it is now transferring. Here you can see it is coming. It is transferring, and now put it here, and now see, now we will come to this. Data is being transferred. Now data has been transferred. See here, it has been transferred. So now we will put the Samsung mobile, and now we will come to this mobile. Now we will see where it has been stored. We will go to the file manager, and then we will go to here. It has come under MI user interface. Okay, then we will just select it, and we will copy it to the folder where WhatsApp is situated. Okay, first we will extract files to here. We will get internal storage, then Android, then media. We will extract it. Now it has been extracted. All the file has been come here. Now we will see what is happening. We will go there in WhatsApp. 1 minute. Where is the WhatsApp? Now English. Agree and continue. Okay, no problem. Agree and continue. Now it will not ask. We will give the phone number here and then OTP. Now it has been verified, and okay, not now to send the easily order. Not now. Continue. Allow. Looking for backups. Now it will. Here it is saying that backup on restore. Now it is restoring. Restoring messages. Okay, done. Next, finished restoring of messages. Your media will restore in the background when connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, no problem. Here we will go then, and now it is initializing. Now see, all the messages from this phone has been transferred to this phone. This is how we will transfer of WhatsApp from old phone to new phone. This is a Samsung phone, and this is MI phone. So this is not about Samsung and MI. You have to just go to the backup, compress it, send backup to this phone, then while restoring, just keep the location. That's all. If you liked the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.